Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna try to restore a vise. I think it's a machinist vise, but I'm not sure. I couldn't find any information about this particular vise. When I google machinist or drill press vise, I couldn't find any images or anything looking like this. As you can see, the state of it is not very good. A lot of rust and dirt and gunk. It doesn't operate very smoothly. So yeah, obviously it needs cleaning up and derusting and lubrication definitely needed. I found this vise in my local auction house. I paid only £10 for quantity of tools. And there were quite nice tools in that lot actually. You can see a blowtorch, draw knife, some wooden mallet, and yeah, there in the corner the device we are going to be restoring now. There were a few unexpected situations along the way. I had to come up with a new plan and overcome a few challenges. Saying that, I'll let you enjoy the video and I see you at the end of the restoration.
Okay, and there it is, the final results of the restoration. I think it turned out quite nice. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's definitely much better than it was before. So yeah, you have a little bit of paint where the rough casting is on all the recesses. A little bit of paint. Some of the parts are polished. Yeah, not mirror polish, but still nice. And obviously I had big problems trying to reuse the old jaws. They were hardened, so I really struggled to tap them. So what I decided is I had some brass plate lying around, so I decided to use it and make this vise a soft jaw vise. I bought some brass screws, polished them, and yeah, they look nice. So like I said, it's not perfect, but it's gonna be a user. I'm gonna be using it, so it doesn't matter that it's not perfect. It's definitely usable. Put some grease all over the threads and inside, and yeah, works smoothly. This handle and knurling part I cold blew it, so just protect it from rusting, and I think it gives a little bit of contrast. So polished metal, black lines as well there, and the brass jaws. Try to polish them as much as I can, but obviously they're gonna get used. So there you go. A few things about this vise. When I was cleaning it up, I seen few extra holes here, so you can see them 4 holes there. I think there was something else attached to it, because all them holes are threaded. So I would imagine there would be a base this vise was sitting on, maybe swivel base, or I don't know. Like I said, couldn't find any information about this vise online. Couldn't find any images showing similar vise to this, so don't know, but it's pretty cool. You have them holes there and them 2 pins. That means you can just take it out. It's solid. Oh, I can take it out. You can take this out, readjust the pins, and make the jaw quite wide, so you can actually hold quite long pieces. Maximum capacity is 12 centimeters, around 4.5 inch, so it's quite decent capacity. A few holes someone drilled in the past, but I just kept it. Yeah, a few holes there. Looks like someone was trying to patch it up, but like I said, that's gonna be a user, so I'm not gonna go over the top with it. Let me know what you think. Did you like the restoration? Drop a comment below, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Thank you.